Hey guys, Rod here. Welcome back to the channel. This really is probably a video for my subscribers. It's an update. Where have I been? What am I doing? What the hell is this behind me? And why have I been away for 8 months? Honestly, days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and before you know it, 8 months have gone by and I haven't posted anything. It's crazy. So what have I been up to? Fundamentally, everything I've been doing in the last 8 months has been leading up to this. Building an extension out of SIPs, structurally insulated panels. I'm going to dive into that in a future video, talk more about SIPs. Was it a good idea? Was it a bad idea? I'm leaning towards it was a bad idea. I'm going to make some videos about how I'm putting this up, how I'm getting on, progress reports, so you guys can follow along, decide for yourself if this is something you'd want to do, or if timber frame or blocks and insulation is the better way to go. Before I could build this extension, before I could start this, before we could get these footings in, I had to demolish a lean-to that was back there. And that board in the middle there, right behind my shoulder, that used to be my front door. So I needed a new way to get into my house. My utility room has turned into a kitchen. I created a new external door. I've changed around an internal door, had to cut a new opening in the wall, brick up the other one. I've replastered the utility room, installed a kitchen. There's been lots of stuff going on, and filming it and recording it and putting it up on YouTube takes a huge amount of time. And the wife was starting to, when's the extension going to be built? So yeah, I've been lazy, but I am planning to get back to YouTube. I posted my first video in 8 months yesterday. This will probably be the second. And I'm planning to continue making more videos like that. Technical videos about automation, tech I'm using in my house. But I'm also going to make videos about this. Progress updates, building SIPs, trying to build it myself. Really stupid idea, but I'm doing it anyway. Anyway. Hopefully all of that sounds vaguely interesting and you guys will stick around, stick with me. If there's anything specific about building with SIPs that you want answers to, let me know and I will put it in a future video. I'm going to crack on. I've got 2 days off work and then it's the weekend. So I've got 4 days and the weather looks nice. So I'm going to crack on and see how much of this I can get up. Hopefully I can get all the wall panels up. Still waiting for some glue lambs to be delivered and I can't really do the roof here until they arrive. And then I've got an even bigger bit of extension to do around the back. I think maybe I'm insane. If any of that sounds interesting and you want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.